recalling Data Gabuh bin Pigking. Gabuh bin Pigking, who hailed from Tambunan district, died at the age of 78 during the 47th Sabah National Day celebration on the 31st of August 2010 in the same village where he was born. He was a former police officer who reached the rank of Sergeant Major on his retirement, but sadly, this once strong and athletic man was reported to have suffered from series of illnesses before his demise. Many may not have met this man personally, especially the young generation, but I believe just hearing his name being mentioned was enough to fill many hearts in his native land with gratitude, as he had not only made known to the world his obscure country at that particular time, but more importantly he had brought pride to his fellow natives in Borneo, especially the Kadazan Dusun community. Gabuh was dubbed as the Kangaroo Man, perhaps due to the two sporting events that he excelled, i.e. the long jump and the triple jump that used to be referred to as the hop, step and jump, and also perhaps in his participation in the world's grand sporting carnival down under. Gabuh Pigking was one of the most famous and successful athletes from Borneo. His athletic career began to soar in the early 1950s, and at the age of 24, he was already representing North Borneo, which later led him to compete at the highest level. Gabuh represented North Borneo, now Sabah, in the 1956 Olympic Games held in Melbourne, Australia, in the triple jump event. Of the 28 participants, he managed to finish 24th, clearing the distance of 14.55 meters. His teammate, Mr. Sumiam Dio, managed to jump with a record of 14.09 meters to place him in 28th place. The event was won by Ademar Ferreira da Silva of Brazil, who cleared the distance of 16.35 meters. However, the two North Borneo athletes made history by being the first men from North Borneo to compete in the Olympics. During the Third Asian Games, which was popularly tagged as Tokyo 1958, since it was held in Tokyo, Japan, between 24 May to 1 June 1958, Gabuh bagged the bronze medal for North Borneo in his favorite event, the hop, step and jump, or the triple jump. The following month, again Gabuh was selected to represent North Borneo in the 6th British Empire and Commonwealth Games held in Cardiff, Wales, between 18th and 26th of July 1958, where he competed in the long jump and the triple jump event. In the men's triple jump he recorded 6th placing with 15.10 meters jump that was eventually won by Ian Tomlinson of Australia at 15.74 meters, followed by 15.69 meters, 15.45 meters, 15.45 meters, and 15.40 meters. Gabuh will go down in Sabah's sporting history as the first Olympian.